Sunday evening at 5:02. I was just getting a little itchy before starting the week, and I was like, let me go out into the woods and take care of some things that needed to be done. And one of the things that needs to be done is this log needs to be removed. It's blocking the main trail on my front 20. The question I have is, do I just remove it tonight and take this wood back to the house, or do I push through the whole entire trail? Let's go see what we have up here. We got one tree down, and then we got a second one over here. Okay, I think we're just going to go ahead and push through. Okay, so this really sucks. So normally when you pinch your bar on your log, what happens is you start cutting down and it starts to bow in, and in bowing in, you traps your bar and then you can't move it. Well, in this situation, let me show you, I actually cut through this whole thing, but as it got to the very bottom, it pinched. So I've got to figure out if I'm either going to have to do one or two things. Go back and get my spare chainsaw. Let's see if I can push it out. Let me try pushing it out first. I'm not making any progress. Damn it. Damn it. I'm gonna have to go get a second. I'm gonna have to go get a second chainsaw. Fuck. God damn it. Okay, let's go. Fuck it, I've got an idea. This is a big log to be doing this, but we're gonna see. It's a really big log to be doing this with. These vehicles are not made to be able to tug logs this big, but I just don't want to go back to the house and lose 15 minutes, 20 minutes, right? Okay, let me go ahead and let me go ahead and do this. That chain's still tight, that's good. So the question I've got to ask myself right now is, do I want to continue down this trail? I see I got one more tree here, but this trail still goes another 200 yards or so. It looks kind of clean, so I think I'm going to keep on heading down this trail here. I'm just going to cut this guy out. Oh, man. Do I want to do the work on this? Yeah. Let me just go ahead and cut. This is all branch. I mean, this is just garbage freaking wood. I mean, as far as firewood and stuff goes. But, yeah, let me just cut this and just kind of continue on, right? Yeah, okay. That's what I do. Let's hope there's no more trees down. Hopefully it'll be a nice straight shot through. Hey, thanks for joining me on this Sunday night. I appreciate the company. If you enjoy this content, hit subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. If you want to get notified of when new episodes come out, hit that bell and it'll notify you. Leave a comment if you have any questions or things you'd like me to do, or suggestions of things I'm doing wrong. I'm new to this, so any suggestions I will graciously take. Anyway, you guys have a good time. I'm going to see you in a few days. I'm going to go up to the house and go get something to eat. I think my wife is wondering what happened to me. I was out here longer than I thought. All right, bye-bye.